Great, it's raining. What will I do? I could check out how hard it's raining. It's not really raining anymore. But it still does look too damp to play outside. I'm gonna go to the basement. I could play with the dollhouse. Yeah, it's way too messy. Hey, here are the big couches. I love these things. Whee! Evie, the rain stopped. Wait, really?